Yo! I'm back. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Once again, I have returned to make some more games. Let's go! Hope you guys are having all a good day. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, Mr. Kapushman. Today, we shall make more gamer. Where is my man? My man was getting ready in the shower. Actually, not shower, in the, what's it called? Guys, it's awesome to be at my parents'. They have a bathtub. And I used to like going into the bath like once or twice a week. Man, it's amazing to be able to do that. Now, I was just in the bath to relax because I'm still sick. And now I'm sweat bullets. It is so hot in here. It's crazy. Whew, I hope I stop leaking at some point. Hopefully it just goes away, right? If you sit down and do nothing, like completely still, it'll stop, right? Mr. Free Space, Mr. Psych, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. And Ulas on YouTube as well. Good morning, good morning. Oh, feels good to be back, man. I'm so happy. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm sorry for yesterday. I tried to stream, but I just didn't. I did not feel good at all. It was so bad. I had to sleep the entire day. Feeling better? Yeah. I did. Like, I wasn't able to do anything. Not even work normally. It was too much. I had like this jarring headache. I had to sneeze all the time. And what's it called? I had a fever as well. So I didn't even have like much strength to sit for a long time. So yeah, I'm sorry. I was hoping it would go a bit better after I moved to my parents, but maybe it's the environment as well. I have a lot more. It's a lot more relaxing to work here because I know I won't be interrupted. I know that no one is gonna come into my room, disrupt me, and say something or do something, or ask me to do something. And so it's this quietness that maybe I just needed that for a second to get sick and hopefully move on. Have you guys ever had that? Like when life at some point it slows down and you can finally like breathe a little bit. I think that's what happened. Oh my god, I'm leaking. Do you guys see this? Am I reflecting? Holy goodness. It's crazy. The body knows when it's allowed to shut down. Yeah, hey, Mr. Snuggleball, my man. You're running out of sick leaves. This will be on your performance report. Yes. I don't care at all, man. It's fine. It's a bit odd. Guys, am I streaming to Twitch or not? I guess I am. But I don't have 8 viewers, I have more. I was sitting at 0 the entire time. Every Christmas was ruined by university because of this. We turned into a semester report before Christmas and everyone got sick immediately after. AI skin pores relaxed at parents' house and leak fluid. Yo, Twitch stream where? No? No, there should be. Boy, guys, I need to... Oh my god. Should I use a snot one or should I use a new one? Holy... I'm literally leaking. Oh. Brother. Use a shirt? No. You guys are gonna make a new screenshot. Already know.
Hi.
Hello, Aizen. How you doing, man? And here at the back as well.
I love Cakez, dirty dog fucker, no soap, no skill, no original ideas, balloons, steal a bastard, no clue, no knowledge,
man.
No games released, no good text, no code, dumb idiot, react, Andy, fuck off, stop streaming, okay champ.
Maybe take off the heaters? I'm even sweating here. Like you guys, how many of you guys can sweat on your arms or on your legs when you do something? Animated water today? No. We're gonna do something really cool in the game. And we're gonna talk about Steam Curators. And we're going to add more items into the game. Tier 3 and tier 4 items, so magic and rare items. That's what we're gonna do. I was also taking a look at the stats, and the first thing I want to talk about is something that is maybe interesting for some people. Those of you who maybe watch the VOD at some point. the Steam stats here. You could see that Deep Forest, which is a current map in the game, does not have any stats. And I think it is because I didn't add the stat to Steam. Let me check. So we go to Steamworks here. And then it is the demo version. That's what we are using on Steam. And then on this demo version page, we can edit the Steamworks settings, the technical tools. And over here, there are stats and achievements. So we go to stats. This is the important one. I added these though. Stat, start, Deep Forest. So I wonder, start Deep Forest. Maximum change 1, minimum value 1, 0, maximum value 1, default value is 0, and we can change it by 1. Increment only. So it is there. So why is that not? Why is that not? Because I feel like stat, start, underscore. Here it is. We have start, wolves, den. Deep for. Ah, I see. It is deep forest, like close together, but it's actually underscore. Cakez, how much dev do you do off stream on this game? Or is that 100% your dev time on stream? No, mostly. What I'll do now is gonna change, right? Because I now have a split setup where one of my old computer is back at home and this computer is at my parents' house. So what I plan on doing is the following, that I will, to answer your question first, I actually did a lot of stuff off stream lately because I can be much faster when I want to implement a new feature. I don't have to narrate or explain the feature to chat. I just do it and therefore it's faster. But what I plan on doing now is to still do that, but whenever I have time at home. So for example, here is where I work. I will do the streaming, the YouTube stuff, and my work stuff as well for my work, my actual work where I earn money, most of my money. And then when I get back home, when I have time, I work on the game. Until I have time to work here on the game. Maybe I don't have any work for my work or whatever, right? But yeah, I plan on doing mostly the boring stuff. That's what I plan on doing off stream. So that would be fixing a bug or debugging why projectiles don't hit something or stuff like that. Like boring, mundane tasks is what I usually do off stream, or a lot of progress as well. Depends. Like content, I don't want to put that too much on stream because I want you to experience the game. I don't want to spoil you as well. Show the Deep Forest stat. The Deep Forest stat is 0 because I had a typo in the game. 0 at the moment. I turned to Quinn yesterday for a few minutes. What was it? He was losing his mind because he accidentally made a null file and couldn't commit it to Git. A null file? What is that? Interesting. Lil bro, that pirate software TD game developing 5 years to add one feature. You're wrong, bro. And that's your first day? I'm gonna give you your first timeout for the day, brother. You got lucky, I misclicked you just now, okay? But I'll find you and I'll ban you for 5 minutes, okay? I'll time you out, sir. Where is it? Shit, who was it? Ah, there he is. Bro, release the game already. I'm tired of playing dog shit TD games. At least good game was Kingdom Rush. Honestly, I'm gonna coin you the pirate software TD. Yeah, just wait. Okay, 5 minutes. See you later. Boom! Bitch! True. Wait, what is it saying? Hello, Mr. Baltuel.
Collector's alt account.
Guten Tag, wie geht's? Hey, Jonathan Smith.
Good,
thanks for asking,
back
bro.
to my favorite Vulcan and Godot.
I don't like being interrupted. Thank you very much for joining. And yes, I feel better. I was not feeling good yesterday. That's why I didn't stream. I could barely... I was sleeping. I was here, but I was sleeping like 80-90% of the time. I even missed a work assignment, like not an assignment, but an appointment by 1 hour because I overslept, unfortunately. But it was fine. The person was fine. He was like, it's okay, let's do it now. And so we did it then. It's not quite collector style. Plus he would say it on his count. He's not currently banned. Kinda sounds like Zakaza. Yeah, could be Zakaza, yeah. Great Queen Leech, sorry for... sorry host last stream. You got many eyes on your stream because of it, Cakez. Oh yeah, that's... I wasn't expecting that at all. It was really cool. You know, I thought it was like usually what he says, like, thanks for the raid hosts, stuff like that. But he actually like went like a deep dive for the Cake streams. Like, really funny. Did you watch? Nah, I don't care about Gamescom, man. I really do not care. I saw an Asmongold video of World of Warcraft and the... like for a second, right? The trailer for World of Warcraft, and was like, it's okay, I guess. It's a bit odd. For me, it misses... I'm like, listen, I'm a man, okay? Excuse me. Yeah, like I told you, that's why I didn't stream yesterday, because this just constantly happens, and you can't have a stream. Goodness. I was watching the WoW trailer, and like, I'm not that into WoW, right? But I like the trailers, especially the Lich King ones. These were stellar. And I was like, I was missing male energy. There was this one male dude in there, the male character that was fighting the girl and stuff, but like he wasn't the main character. And I was missing more like the anyways, yeah. So that's about it. But otherwise, I don't really care about new games at the moment, because if anything, I care about old games like Dark Souls 1, Dark Souls 2, Dark Souls 3, stuff like that, because I know these games are good. Like most new games, especially AAA, I immediately, like, for me it's the other way around. I go in thinking they're all trash, and they have to convince me they're good. And when I see CGI, I write it off immediately, unless it's from Valve, right? Any Valve product, I'm like 99% sure they're good. Let's say 95. But yeah, otherwise, hell nah, man, not wasting any time or money on this shit. Because, yeah. Like, it feels like action movies most of the time. Fanboy? I don't think it's fanboy, man. It's called past experiences repeat themselves, right? Should I go for Vulkan or OpenGL for a 3D game? OpenGL, because you're gonna be faster, man. Vulkan, you're gonna take 10 million years to just write the renderer, and then when you do one feature in the game, you're gonna change your renderer again, because you wanna have, I don't know, physics-based rendering now. Now you rewrite the render and it takes you a million years again to just fix their stuff in Vulkan, because it's so rigid. Like, think about it. Think about Vulkan like hard coding your story in the game. Literally line by line in the game. Not in like some text file, but in code. And now think about changing that file in code to accommodate your new story, aka your new graphics pipeline. That's what it is. Getting sick is not efficient. Like Zoe hat mich angesteckt in English. I watched a video on YouTube where you answered a Reddit question asking how to learn C++, and the guy said if he should start with Unreal Engine 4, you answered that Unreal Engine 4 has their own C++. Is that the same with Unity, or do they have their own C# version too? Like, think about it like this. C# is a programming language, and C++ is a programming language. And what you can do in these languages is you can build your own classes or structures or constructs. So, for example, in Unreal Engine, you can build a player struct, class, whatever. And then that player has functions. And essentially, that's what Unreal Engine and Unity do with their code, or with C++. So it is C++, but you're using the game object from Unreal Engine, or the game object in Unity. That's essentially their own language, because then you have to call the update function of the game object. Because the update function of the game object is tied into their game loop, and there's so many things behind the back that you won't understand or won't even see, because this update loop of that game object is completely tied into this in the backend, and you don't see this at all. But it makes it easier to integrate that into the game. You just make game objects, and then a game object is a player or an enemy, stuff like that. And you don't have to code this entire thing into the loop itself, which is you gather some time, maybe you wait till you update. All of this stuff is hidden from you. That's the difference. But it is like the language is still the language. It's just that you're operating on a higher level. What about DirectX for 3D? DirectX 11? I think that's a great choice. Path of Exile used that for the longest time. I think that's the best thing to go for, in my opinion, actually. Because OpenGL is great, but OpenGL's error messages are not that good. So, for example, you get an error message that says maybe this pipeline is not constructed for 3D rendering. That's an error message I got once, or something similar. I forgot the exact message, but it was something along the lines of that. And in DirectX, what you get is this object right here with the name is not filled in at slot X, and that could be potentially dangerous because all of the data will be 0, but it's also fine, it's okay if you intended to do that. And now you know which slot, which object, and what the problem is. And so, like, DirectX is like, it's giving you a lorem opposum duden, essentially, to read of error messages versus OpenGL, where you can scramble by to figure out what the hell this shit means. And so that's why I love DirectX 11. But in general, DirectX is great. And that's a lot saying, because it's from Windows, right? And usually that sucks. Hey bro, sorry for disturbing. What want to ask you? Are you using no, I don't. I just use, like, this is what I use. I don't use ECS, like Entity Component System. It's not important in a small game. Oops, I just have a giant entity struct. Like this, it starts here, and then like this, all of the data in this entity is in here. You see? It's quite a lot. It's fine though. The game runs at, if I remove vertical sync, runs at 500 almost. And this is in a debug build going through Visual Studio Code, which slows it down again, like the editor slows it down. And then I'm streaming too, so like there's a lot of stuff that's slowed down. You don't really need ECS until you're making insane... Like, I would say you need an ECS, maybe, if you're talking about a game like They Are Billions, if you've ever played that game, where you have literally, you have, how many enemies do you have on stream? On screen, sometimes. Like multiple thousands, actually. And they all walk to your base. Hello streamer, hello 10x, hope you're doing good, man. And Mr. Kuku as well. Billions, they are billions. Is this game coming out before World War 3? What are you talking about? I'm working on early access, bitch. Fuck you. I need to choose better words. Hello Haskas, good morning. Vulcan, D3, D12, Master Race. You just need to sacrifice 5 years. Yeah, Kapush, man. Bro, I don't have 5 years to make games, man. Okay, my daughter is gonna be 5 at that point. She wants to go out and have fun as well, okay? I want to go on vacation with her or maybe buy her stuff. So if I just make a Vulcan renderer, I can't sell that, man, okay? Tell the developer of Lethal Company that you need to do a Vulcan renderer first to make a game. Telling you, man. That's how that is, okay? Hey, Quinn is gonna have a faster game out than you. Think about it, man. How much time did he invest? And hey, gotta say, it's not the best game, right? And you could probably do it faster while being experienced and not using AI, but it's still impressive. He said he's on vacation. Quinn is not gonna go on vacation. I don't think so. Hello from Poland. Hello Ziggler Games. How you doing, man? Hello from Germany. I actually have ancestors in Poland. Like my grandma's from Poland. Coding is not impressive. Vibe coding? I think it is. You know why? Because vibe coding can destroy your game so fast, and he's managed to, like, he kind of destroys his game all the time on stream, right? But he still manages to make progress. So, hey, more props to him for that. Okay, being consistent. Hey, I gotta say, okay, here's the thing. Mr. Prime, a known developer from Netflix, and his team, including low-level TV, who has like a zillion IQ, did not manage to make a game using vibe coding further than Quinn has gotten. Okay, and that's a lot saying, because he's never touched a single line of code in his life. Okay. It's impressive, yeah, because he's using it much better than other devs, yeah. They gave up. Mr. Prime and others gave up. Okay, their team gave up, and this was a team of people. Thank you. Hey. Hey, I have to say. So, oh, maybe it was Cursor. Hey. Maybe. But you never know. The AI Quinn uses? I don't know. It could be, yes. I mean, it could also be that they improved the AI, right? Grim, thank you very much for following, and Sezi as well. Sorry, appreciate it, you guys. That's not fair. They intentionally didn't bother correcting the AI. Of course! They were literally sponsored, bro. What you talking about? They were sponsored to do it. So, of course, like, if I was sponsored by Cursor, okay, to make a game using vibe coding, then I would try my damnedest to fix the errors and keep using Cursor. No? Don't you think so? Good day, sir. Good day, my man. Okay, so very good. We updated the Steam stats here. That's what I wanted to do. And I feel like we can talk about the Steam curators here. This is a video by one guy. I want to correct myself. I was just watching a video of mine where I talk badly about Steam curators, and I want to give full context. We know that most of them are scammers, but there's also a somewhat safe way.
Fuck Cakez.
I hate when the
software based.
There's also, if there's also a way to contact Steam curators to play your game and then maybe give you feedback or also provide a positive review on your page, then there's probably a good, that's probably a good idea to think about at least. But not for now. I want to do some coding first, because I didn't do any coding yesterday. I feel bad. I couldn't. Like, I literally couldn't. But yeah. You're doing a great job correcting yourself with the title of Steam curators are scammers. They still are. They still are. Most of them are. But at least we need to provide a little bit more context. But first, I want to provide a better system to earn stars in the game. Because most of you complained, and I agree, that earning 3 stars in a level is too difficult. Because it forces you to, like, you cannot beat this level, for example, without losing a hero. Without a hero dying. So I would rather implement a way where the more hearts you have, the more stars you earn. So let's say, I don't know, we'll have to see how Kingdom Rush does it. To look at the numbers, because they probably balance those numbers. But I think above 17, so 18, 19 and 20 is 3 stars. Then 17, 16, 15 and 14 is 2 stars. No, yeah, it's 2 stars. And then anything below that is probably just 1 star. But I'll have to test, I have to see. 3 stars should not be yeah, but it's like a small little forgiveness mechanic. Which, I gotta be honest with you, I played Kingdom Rush a lot. And these maps were really difficult to beat. And I was happy that it wasn't 20. Because sometimes I leaked 1 enemy. And I got so mad. Because I knew that it's not 20. I'm like this person that wants to have either full or nothing. But at least I got 3 stars. And the 3 stars helped me gain more passive power with meta upgrades to do better next time. And so, even if I didn't 20 live the map, I still beat the map completely. It's leeway, yeah. It's not a skill issue, bro. The game's hard. Play it yourself. Kingdom Rush stars, I guess. Let's see. Upgrades, stars. Let me see here. Campaign. Ah, here it. Oh, let's see. 6 to 17. Oh, wow. So you get 2 stars so easily. Interesting. It goes down to 6. I didn't know that. That's crazy. Each level should be its own challenges. Yeah, that's what I have so far. Like each level right now in my game has different challenges. But still, like how many stars you earn to help you with meta progression is also very important. When will you play the latest Kingdom Rush to get some more inspiration? Maybe later. I think I've gotten enough inspiration already. Like I don't think I need much more in terms of features and stuff. 2 stars should be normal, 1 star should be terrible, 3 stars should be perfect. Yeah, I mean, that's what you say, but the majority of players don't like that. So that's what we're gonna implement now. In order to do that, I wanna do a git commit and push. Uh-oh. Do you have a streaming schedule? Yes, I'm not gonna talk about it now because I'm working on it still, so I can't really say I have a schedule now. But I plan on getting back to my streaming schedule where I start about an hour ago from now. An hour and 17 minutes ago. That's where I would like to start my stream for 3 to 4 hours. Until I have catched up with all of the side stuff that I need to do off stream. So a lot of work piled up and a lot of YouTube stuff piled up, and my hard drives are getting full with recordings here. Like it's getting worse. So that's what I'm currently working on. And then I'll hopefully try to stay consistent with like a 4-hour streams starting at 12. And yeah, I hope that this will the way I'm currently at my parents' house, where I don't get interrupted all the time by my wife and my daughter coming into my room and stuff, other people being at home. And we'll see. Ask me again in like 1 month if this works out or not. Git add, git commit. I don't know. Commit. What do we do? Like the message doesn't really matter, right? What do we do? We added the wolf. Oh, we added the walk, not wolf. Yeah, we added the walk. Okay, yeah, walk. Then here, what do we do? We did some rounds in the wolf's den. Started implementing those rounds. Then I added a new poisonous explosion. I fixed the burst ability. That's mostly it. Yeah. So walk. Then burst ability fix. Poisonous explosion. There we go. The push. I took the whole PC here, yeah. Like I have my streaming PC and set up all at my parents now. Which obviously means when I'm at home, I cannot work on the game at the moment. But I can set it up on my other computer that's there. That's still there. Okay, cool. So now let's implement... let's actually implement the leaf. And we can minimize that too, so it's not confusing. How many stars you get depending on how many lives there are left. And I don't think I have meta progression to increase the lives of the level. Okay, so that's because I don't want that actually. I think that would make it too easy. Alright, so in order to figure out how many stars you get, we need to look at the stars, the lives left. So let's see, in a game, 1 level ID. But then we also have to have, let's see. It's a little bit more complicated, unfortunately. Complete scripting event. Complete all tutorials. Athano, how you doing, man? Good morning. Welcome, sir. Remember to animate the water. Catched up. Hello, good job, man. Let me see. Background, content, hash to level. Here it is. Hash to level. It gives us challenges. So, and the challenges here We completed the level. That should earn us 1 star. Now the thing is, these conversations... Do not pause. That's something I don't use. It's not used. Unused. Where's the ground purple in the upper left corner? Here, this is water. It's not animated though. Stop asking! You guys are continuously ask about the water. I'm not going to animate the water right now because it's not important. It's not gameplay, guys. Goodness. So this is where... These are extra challenges, right? Now, extra challenge. Hello, smart streamer. Oh, hello, my man. I appreciate that. Extra challenge, 4th star. Extra challenge, 5th star. So, no heroes dying is the hardest part ever. And no hearts losing is the 4th star. So, here's the first. We need 2 and 3. We have used... I cannot Well, no, if I do this, then I have to kill all of you guys' progress. I don't want that. So, I need to use different bits. Starting from here. So, if this is unused, we could do the level challenge. Complete level. 14 stars plus. Or let's say... Earn... Or complete... Level. And then, I don't know... That's like, I don't want to bake in the number, like 6. Then that means, okay, 6 and more is 2 stars. Challenge earn 2 stars. And then earn 3 stars. Maybe. Maybe that's better. Then we use bit 4 for this. And these will be bit 5, 6, 7, and 8. Because this doesn't matter at the moment. It's probably also going to be removed anyways. So that could be it. Paid chatter, do you think Cakez will play? What do you mean? Water tends to get darker the further away from the shore it is because... of the added dev. Yeah, I know. Did you see 8,000 people watching Silkong offline stream? Hollow Knight Silkong premieres in 27 hours. Okay, I don't know. Hollow Knight, Team Cherry. Oh, well... Special... No, I think that's normal though. Like what you're seeing here is normal. Because it's an announcement, bro. And it's a special announcement even. Special announcement, okay? So people are waiting to see what these guys have come up with. So I think that's normal. I mean, okay, so what you're saying is... The game has so many fans that that's how many people are waiting for the announcement. Yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Silkong? What? King Kong Silky. What are the things you use to render graphics? DirectX 11? Yeah, but 8K, not even PlayStation gets that? I see. Yeah, but does PlayStation do special announcements, bro? I don't think so. Silkong equals not Silk Song. Hilford's game showed up on Gamescom. That was pretty cool. Oh, really? That's insane. That's cool. I wonder how he did that. Maybe he could talk about it. Like how he got there. I don't want to say anything like badly about it. Maybe he knows someone, but I would like to know how. Okay, guys, let's see. So let's say we have the data now. Is the game broken? Is there an error? Hello? Any error messages here? It's white. White means it's not passed. Doesn't look like... Okay, so it's weird that it's white, but okay. He finally got a publishing deal. Hilford got the publishing company funded by the game Among Us devs now. Oh, I so want to know about their details about the contract, man. I wonder if you could talk about that, man. But you guys remember the game we watched, or the video we watched about the guy that made the game, earned 4 million and essentially went into negatives because of the publisher? Man. All right, let's see. So, finish level unlocked. So here's where we have to determine which challenges to unlock and how many earned stars we get. And then we need to figure out where to draw the star. I think this will be done in a loop. I think I'll do this again. So essentially, let's do this if check first. Hey Face, how you doing, man? Good morning. So if we have not beaten the level yet, so first time beating the level. First time beating the level. If we have... Oh my god, I can't talk. Sorry. These guys were like, we are a small studio that got a bunch of money with Among Us. Let's help some other indie devs. Of course, they didn't just give money away. I see. Oh, I see now what you mean. It is... I understand how it works now, coding. Sorry, I totally misunderstood this. So the developer team of Among Us created their own publishing company. And then that publishing company is now supporting or publishing the game from Hilford Games, which I don't remember, but it's like this pixel art 3D kind of game made in Unity where it's story driven and it's all about zombies attacking. So it's actually a really cool setting and idea of a game. So really cool, yeah. I see. So yeah, congratulations. That's great. I would hope. Did he react already to what? Don't you think to convert Tangy TD to mobile? I will only if this game has any audience on Steam. And I get money out of the game so I can spend the time and effort into making it a mobile game. If it's 500 a month or 400 a month, then I will consider making a mobile game. Yes. And then I will look at Kingdom Rush, how they did it, and because they earn most of their money through mobile games. Okay, let's see. So if we have not completed the level yet, then obviously we need to add that to the challenges, and we need to save the game. Or we do it like this. We set a boolean bool save game to... I mean, we could always save the game every time we win the level. But yeah, no, it should be save game is false. And then we set save game to true here. I don't want to do multiple save game calls in like one code block. So have we not beaten the level yet? And so then over here we have int total stars is 0. And then here's where first we check out which challenges we have not done yet. Let's do that first, like get this out of the way. So first time beating the level, first time getting plus, let's say 6 and more stars, hearts left. That would be level challenge stars. Earn 2 stars. So we have not earned 2 stars yet. That means we're gonna earn 2 stars to it. Ah! Oh, sorry. Oh, goodness. Holy. Okay. First time getting 17 plus hearts left. So we have not earned. No. I wonder what happens when you repeat a map in Kingdom Rush. You have already 3-starred the map, but then you do terribly the next run. I wonder how it displays that. Actually gonna test this. See you. Boom. Let's play Kingdom. Can we do that? Can we play? Hello, sir. Hello there, Pry again. Pragyen on YouTube. How you doing, man? It's yoink time. It's you're kinda, I guess. Okay, it's getting inspired, you guys. It's inspiration. Okay, let's see. So this one's difficult, but it's long, isn't it? Oh, it has 13 rounds. Fine. That takes fine. Let's just do it. I know what to do. Yeah. Okay.
Need a light.
Okay, unfortunately there's no speed up in this level, so we just gotta wait until we beat this. So the idea is that we figure out. Here we go. We figure out how they earn stars. So I have to kind of delete the towers at the end. So I let through, I don't know, a couple of units. I have 3-starred this map already. It's actually really difficult. Where's the enemies? There they are. Okay. What do we do? Upgrade this? The voices sound like Stronghold Crusader. It's really cool. Can do another one here. We kind of need mages here though. You have to get 17 or below for 2-star, yeah. So I need to let a couple through. Obviously with full upgrades, this is too easy. And this guy is also quite OP. Like, he's really strong. Like, I have never seen my guy die. This hero. I think he's way too imbalanced. And he's immune to fire, which is also kind of stupid, actually. But hey. I got my girlfriend this, she loves it. It's a great game. It is really good. I think it's one of the best TD games. I think it's even better than Bloons. Simply because Bloons is always the same. And here in this game, there's so many different bosses, man. Hey, Meepak, thank you very much for subscribing, my man. Let me unpause notifications. Thank you very much for the support, bro. Okay, so we're at 5 out of 13. It's gonna take some time. Excuse me. It's locked.
I don't like self-promoting stuff, so if I receive downvotes or this gets removed, I can totally understand that.
Yeah.
However, it's really important for me to share this because I'm tired of these stupidly overhyped trailers that are designed to sell non-existent products and fool you.
Okay, so this guy just do not understand.
It is a personal opinion. I know that Bloons sold more games. I understand that, but I still think that Kingdom Rush is the better game. That is a subjective opinion because of me. I know that Bloons is has more appeal. Okay, brother?
Goodness, man. Ah, wolves. We have those too, don't we? I think they can dodge melee attacks, do they? Have you reacted to this before? What is this? Well, these two indie games really failed. I have not, no. That's 25 minutes, it's also very long.
These types of videos that are based...
Uh-oh, I wasn't paying attention. Whoops. Hey. Hey. Bro, hey. Hey. Uh-oh. Kill him. Okay, good. So what are we? 9 out of 13. All right. Will you today? No, we have something we're gonna watch later. I'm currently working on the game and doing some research. Okay, so we are 10 out of 13. We gotta be careful because I can't see how many are left.
Need a light.
Goodness, it's crazy.
Fire and brimstone.
I'm spawn camping these guys, man. They can't even do anything. God, this level is so much easier with upgrades. I have to tell you. 12? Okay, so that's already round 12 starting. Uh-huh. Okay, on the next wave. I need to count. Hey, guys? Help me count next time, okay? It's important that we see how many enemies are coming. And then we need to count how many we kill. So we only let that through. One, two, no, not now. Now, okay, so 8, 2, 8, 7. Okay, we need to kill. We need to kill. Let's just kill 4 or 5, okay? Let me delete some of the stuff already. 2 or 5 killing, okay? 2 or 5.
By fire be purged.
Okay. Let's kill these. Yeah.
Let's burn. Need a light.
Okay. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. Kill this guy. All right.
By fire be purged.
That should be enough. Okay. Oh.
Light.
I'm just gonna let these through, and then I'll use the huh? Why is that so many? Wait. Nine. Okay, so we're going to get 2 stars, but I have 3 start the map already. Okay, what's gonna happen? What happens? Aha, it shows me in the victory screen that I have 2 stars. But I still have 3 stars in total. Right? Or did I just downgrade? No. So it doesn't downgrade. So it shows here. Aha. Okay. So, okay. Okay, fine. Okay, then I understand. So we have not earned 2 stars yet. And level state, hearts. Wait, level state. Health. Hover time, hero deaths. Eh? Level? Lives? Here it is, lives. Lives have to be greater than 6. Then we add the challenge and we have earned the star. Good. Still hot in Germany? Oh yeah, it's still hot, very hot. Okay, so that is 6 hearts plus. And then we'll do the same question here. But in this case, we say more than 17. Right? Good. Now we have that. And this is not 2 stars, but 3 stars. Good. And then we save the game. I think we should always save the game, though. But when we click OK, we save the game. I have an advice to make... don't make your achievement stars with a way that can fuck yourself to get stars as a player. What do you mean? I'm making the system better, bro. Okay, so now that we have this... we need to ask, or we need to gather stars, sorry. So basically the way this works is like this. This one here is unlock permanent stars. Okay, my wife's calling. Great, give me a sec. Hey, Mr. Travis Roman, how you doing, man? Eh? Why don't I hear anything? No, I rubbed my hair because it's so freaking hot in here, bro. All right, let's see. So unlock permanent stars. Oh yeah, and I wanted to put all of this in here. And then we save the game inside of this block. I like putting this stuff in blocks because it's easier to separate. Now that we have unlocked the permanent stars, which is completely disconnected to how many stars we're gonna display. Display how many stars the player earned this round. And the way to do that is very simple. If level state, let me see, lives is greater than 6. Then we have stars, total stars earned is 2. And then we do int stars earned, it's gonna be 1. We can do an else if. Like this. Oh my god, what happened? Nani? How many? What? Okay, apparently I pressed some magic key that spawned a bunch of curly braces. Stars earned is 3. There we go. Okay, so this is how many we have. And then I suppose depending on the stars earned, we're gonna do like this. Let's copy that right first. Let's see, star animation time. Minus. -1. Minus 1.5. Okay. 4. Int I is 0. I is less than stars earned. I plus plus. This can be extracted outside of the loop. We don't need to do this every time. And then stars position. For every star, it's increased. To our debugging? No, Abiff, that's not gonna happen, bro. Because I know how to code, bro. I know how to make some good gameplay changes. Just wait. minus I plus 1 times this. We draw this star times the size. And then we call this star t. And this is time, I suppose. Okay, let me test. Did I forget something? Draw tooltip. Then we don't need tooltips, I suppose, for each star. Do we? Do we? I don't think I need to hover this. In Kingdom Rush, I figured this out just after playing. How many stars give you how much? I could do a tooltip. Let's test, right? We could do a... I wonder how that works, though. It always draws a tooltip? Draw tooltip sprite. Button ID. Line ID. Well, we could do this. And then we do line ID I. And then it says, instead of string challenge, earn stars. What are the stars for, by the way, achievement hunters? Wait. So, wait a minute, bro. Earn stars for or by? With many with lives left. So you were trying to give me... Wait, so 959 TV, right? You were trying to give me advice on my game on how to do something without ever actually having played my game? Earn stars? Oh yeah, earn stars. By completing the level with 3 stars, 17 plus lives. Maybe like that? Like /n. 3 stars. 6, 0. There we go. Like this. Maybe that works. Earn stars. Okay, IG, it's forbidden to give advice without playing. Sounds exactly like Cakez reacts. No, you're not right, because I started playing the games that I give feedback on. You're wrong, bro. Most games I played lately, because I realized oftentimes when there's a demo out, you should try to play it. Okay, so now we have the stars, right? This display how many stars the player earned, and let's put all of this also in its own bucket. And then we can still keep the challenges of letting no hero die. Level challenge unlocked. Finish level challenge unlocked. We can get rid of that. Let no heroes die unlocked. Yeah, there we go. So that's at least that is unlocking it. We'll do something with this later, but we will add more stars, essentially. For now, though. Actually, we might be able to add this now. Do we? Display top performing heroes. Display stats. Okay. So at least this stuff here. I want to put that into permanent stars to unlock them. Boom. But we don't have anything animation wise yet. Oops. Hey, I'm new here. What GUI are you using for your game? Oh, it's called Immediate Mode UI. And let's see. I am... Is that it? You can check it out here. It's an idea for Immediate Mode UI, and it's inspired by I am UI. I'm GUI, if you've ever heard about that library for C++. Could you look 1 minute at the if statement for stars calculation? Just don't say anything and look. Oh, I see. It's the other way around. I see. Thank you, man. Yeah, so this needs to be first, and then this second. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, bro. What a nice person. Okay, good. What else? I think that's already enough. And then all we need to do is on the map display the stars. So view map ID. Here. Let's figure out where we draw the stars. Missions, draw bosses, draw missions. Here it is. Level hash, we have that. Story start. Level before was completed. Waypoint, Here are the stars. So, have we completed the level? Yes. Then we draw a star. And then over here, let no heroes die. No. Level, challenge, earn 2 stars. Yes, then we show the second star. And if we have earned 3 stars, then we show the third star. There we go. Actually, it's that simple. Huh. Yeah, we're changing the star condition to Kingdom Rush condition in a way. Because the star condition was brutal before. In this map, for example, you needed to survive without ever losing a hero. And the boss can one-shot heroes. So that was very unforgiving. And created a tedious way of farming stars, which should be something fun. And now it's just tied to hearts. Let's see. So it's a long map. Let's use a map that is not that long. Like, for example, Wolf's Den, that has 8 rounds. Let's see if we can get like 2 stars, right? Test that. Man, that's a lot. That comes early. Holy. Oh. Let me drink something. Uh-oh. 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 Hey! Okay. Man, round 1 is brutal. I'm losing like crazy. L? Bro. What? How do I lose? Come on. I should get 1 star. Then, oh my god. Okay, well. Okay, how about this, yeah? Let's use the first map. They only have 1 star. Wait, what? Of course, because I haven't earned 3 stars yet. Okay, yeah, good. Let's do first map. Good. Hello, Cakez. Hello, Lazy Dev. How you doing, man? I need to let this guy die to test. Okay, so he just died. Good. Oh. Okay, I guess I'll let some through. You're incredibly smart. Just because you're figured out in Kingdom Rush doesn't mean that everyone will. Thank you, Cakez, for inspiring me being better version of myself every day. Oh, appreciate that, man. Thank you. Oh. Excuse me. Oh, is that annoying? 7. Okay, so how many lives shall we? Oh god. That's a big wave. Let's see how much we get if we just let that many through. We should get 2 stars. 2 stars. Oh. Oh. I see. God damn. Einer earned an achievement, winner, huh? Ja. I get it now. Okay. And then on the map, it shows me 2. Okay. I see. It's always gonna be 3. But if sprite icon star dark. Shit, I need to look at what I deleted. What did I delete? If we have the challenge, we draw that. Wait. If we have the challenge, here it is. If we have it, we draw that. What the hell? Draw tooltip sprite. Draw tooltip sprite. Aha. Bro, stop. Draw tooltip sprite. Oh, I see. And then it draws the star on top. Aha. I get it. So basically, if stars earn it's 3. Yeah, okay. Then we do that. And we always draw this using I. A tooltip sprite doesn't work. If the button is on, why don't we draw a tooltip? Yes, so that would be the position plus vector 2 of 0 minus 20. That works. And then the name. We don't have a name. String challenge. No. String challenges. Okay, challenge. And then I guess string challenge. Earn stars. There we go. And I suppose it draws it on top. Let's test that. Real man code in JavaScript? I mean, I don't know about that, bro. Wait, it showed me all of the stars there. Wait a minute. This is still... The level preview is still wrong. We need to fix that. Oh yeah, of course. Let's speed it up. We already know that the stars work. Now we need to figure out... Ah shit, I should have gotten that, bro. Question, why do units not heal a percentage after every round ends? Something like 5%. Is this guy actually trying to troll me today? Cause they do heal 5% every time the round ends. What's this guy talking about? I literally coded that in. I might not be 5%, but it's certainly something. The game's great, not troll. Oh, I appreciate that, man. Yes. That's awesome to hear. Really awesome to hear. Stream curators are scammers? Yeah, we'll watch a video about that in a second, bro. Hi. How did the demo go? What did the telemetry tell you about the player behaviors? What are you focusing on for now? I'm focusing on rewards and content and to balance at the same time. Like different things that are based on feedback. But mostly that. Can you allow players to buy units? What do you mean by that? Buy units and allow players for that? What does that mean? Hi Cakez, I love coming to your stream, including because of the music. Crazy nostalgia for Lineage 2, Heroes of Might and Magic 4. Good luck. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, me too. Not so much Lineage, but Heroes of Might and Magic. And then Skyrim, of course. Oh, wow. What happened? How many levels did you gain? 1? Okay. Joke was so bad, he didn't get it. Yeah, bro. I gotta work on that. For sure, bro. Okay, so we now should have all of the stars. Let's see what the mission complete screen looks like. Good. Now I want to delete all of them. Shit. I wasn't fast enough. Good. So that's enough to lose. To test. Disable to welcome messages. Stop spamming.
Am I so out of touch?
Though I appreciate the support.
No.
MyPack just
Mr.
subscribed.
MyPack. Alright, let's see.
Hello. I don't like self-promoting stuff, So if I receive downvotes or this gets removed, I can totally understand that.
Okay.
However, it's really important for me to share this because I'm tired of these stupidly overhyped trailers that are designed to sell non-existent products and fool you into
Burn
buying
stars by
their crap.
completing.
This has to stop, and the best way to do that is to spread awareness.
Oh.
Good day.
Anyways, keep your truths to yourself.
How many
and
did we
do
get
not
to?
Help them.
Okay, now let's quickly try to block the rest. Oh, come on. Do we get 3 stars now? We got, okay, so awesome, we got 3 stars. Nice. So the only thing we need to do is just, oh my god!
The takeaway from this segment is we need to animate water.
That's better. Get rid of this dog.
Cakez.
What's it called? Map review ID. That's fine. Review ID. Yeah. You. That's not it. View map ID. Pop active modal. Missions. Here it is. Cakes. Yes, Shade 11. What it is? What's going on? Story map. Fuck you. Okay, you're banned. 5 minutes. This guy really wants to get some bans. Here we go. Congratulations. Good stuff, bro. Fuck you. There it is. Level icon, Mario map. Oh, sorry, yeah, here's the Mario map. Mission modal. Okay, so it's called Mission Modal ID. And then, where's the challenges? Here. Aha. Oof. Okay, so that's a bit annoying. Complete level ID is hot. No hero. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oof. How do we do this? Okay, so here, let's put that in its own scope. We need, I guess, that. Good. Is it animating it? Suppose it is. Yeah. That's the sprite. What I'm working on right now is this menu right here. That thing. We can put that entire thing to the left so we can work on it while watching. Let me see here. Oof. Map position, here we go. Let's move that like 80 pixels, minus 120 pixels to the left. Everything should move to the left. Right? There we, okay, so now I can work on this. Good, nice. F? No, you guys are lying. I'm not effing. You guys are lying. I'm gonna check on Twitch. You guys are lying. Stop saying that. Guys, don't you enjoy the stream? We make good progress in the game. Okay, stop interrupting the stream. Guys, don't you enjoy the stream? We make good progress. Okay, I see. I'm not effing. Who started this? Stream down F? Oh, you're so lucky that you are a freaking mod, man. You are so lucky. I'm gonna have to ban this guy, but I'm too lazy to add him back to the mod. So you got lucky, man. Just saying. All right. Let's see. Here it is. Okay, so we have the star. And then we need to know how many stars have we earned so far. Int stars collected is 0. And then if... How do we ask this? Here it is. We ask the challenge, right? If Level challenges. Hash to level. Challenge flags. Wait. Aha. Okay. So we want to ask those for the level challenge complete level. And then we do an if. Then stars collected is 1. And we can do an else if, right? We could start from the top and go down. So we only ask the question once. In a way. So first we ask, have we earned 3 stars? Yes, then it's 3. If not, then we ask, have we earned 2 stars? Then it's 2. If not, then we must have completed the level. And if totally nothing is there, then it'll be empty. And okay, so now we know. Oh god, is that annoying. String text. If the button is... Okay, so that's not needed. We draw a sprite. Aha. And then we do this. Okay, wow. So much code that could be done in a for loop. Damn, that's crazy. So we do a for loop here. And yes, these are all tabs. For int I is 0. I is less than... Thank you very much for following, Mr. Was Sim. And I will delete this message as well as purge. Boom. Okay. Can I contribute to your game so I can make it better? Oh, how do you want to do that? I'm open. Interesting. Guys, it's that simple. Watch. Is I less than stars collected? Then we have earned a star, otherwise not. Animation index is the same question, I guess. So we do a bool, a const bool star collected is it doesn't really matter, but fine. Good. Now the last thing we really need to do is ask if it's hot. So we can generate a tooltip. We can just draw a tooltip. This Cakez? Huh? Oh, so you're complaining about my else if number case, Mr. Smart? Ah, I see. Yeah, because I do this, right? Yeah, okay, great idea. Okay, you dummy. I have no idea what you're talking about, bro. See, this is why you won't make a good game. Because you get hold up on making this look pretty. Which is totally not important, okay? You are wrong on so many levels. This is fine, okay? This is readable. And so you just like to point out other people's mistakes instead of making some of your own. So that's why you don't learn, okay? That's why you will never make a good game. I just said it. Hey, it is how it is, bro. You can cry if you want to. If... I mean... Draw upgrade tooltip. So we can't do a tooltip sprite. Where's this? Wait. Tooltip sprite was in this fun. Where's that? That's in the modal. Holy shit. Look at the code. Look at how much code that is. Oh my god. Goodness. That was in one level ID. It's in here. Hello, I want to start game developing. Is it Godot and GDScript good point to start for a new developer who doesn't know a thing? Thanks for anyone for the answers. Yeah, that's a good start. Godot gets you started actually the fastest. And so if you want to get into game development, I think it's one of the best choices you can do. Yeah. It's not for everybody, but definitely to get into it, for sure. I have a PhD in game dev. I can make complex programs very efficiently and save time and fame. Yeah, why do I not believe that, bro? Like, yeah. I feel like you're lying to me, bro. How about you do something for the game and I evaluate your skills, huh? How about that? Mate? Excuse me. To upgrade your conversation. Holy man. So that was in the town. So this, oh my god, it is actually in this switch statement, so I need to go even higher. So above this switch statement is where I need to define, oh god, so the function. Draw tooltip sprite. God damn. Okay. And then here. Check if the level before was completed. Button. Foliage. Challenges, here it is. Okay, so I want to draw a tooltip sprite. Gives us a sprite, string ID, and a position, but it's not animating the sprite, isn't it? Okay. This one's easy. String ID. For the tooltip. Earn stars. Position. Challenges position. And I suppose that is the sprite. There we go. Then we can get rid of this. Change that here. And we do sprite ID. I wonder if this is better. And this needs to have a different position, I know. So that would be plus, oops. A vector 2 of minus 60. And then minus 20, I would say. Let's test. So that would be those stars right here. We just changed that. It didn't update, so that means it did build. Oh wait, it did. But it also, it overwrote this. I think. This got overwritten. Right? Oh my god, wait a minute. Do not lose any hearts. No heroes died. Change layer by 100? Wait, is it behind? What the hell? Excuse me. Huh? Wait, is it that much? Lol. Nice music. How did you create it? That's not my music. That is from Skyrim. Aha! Hey, was it up there? You stupid. It does work, but it shows 3 stars, which this one has 3. Oh, perfect. It actually works. Cool. Cancel. Okay, cool. It actually works. It's not animated yet, but I can do that later. Oh my god. Oh. Challenges position. It is though. Hä? Nej. Hä? Hä? Guys, do you see the problem? I have the same stuff here. How is this? What's... Ah, okay. Challenges position. 176, 218. Okay. Aha. How? Nani? Top position? 200, 130? Eh? 200, 130. Huh? Thank you very much, T-Cap. The guy was getting annoying. Thank you. Appreciate that. Weren't. Wait, you have the same name as me, bro? Oh. Oh. Do you know how you will price your game? Personally, I would pay $15 to $20 for this. Does he not read YouTube? I get it. He is busy Twitch and keeps him distracted. I don't blame him. I feel like... I noticed that you have new enemy in the texture. Do you plan on any localizations? Yeah, I have. I have it in the texture. I would have to draw that in other languages. How about I give you 5 minutes, bro? Okay, you're lying. Yeah, this guy is a troll account. How? Maybe map previous size was defined? Huh? How come this is a different position? Huh? And this? 176, 209. Or maybe not? No, it's the same position. Wait a minute. What? Wait. Darken background. $176, $209. Okay, it's the same position. And here? 176, 209. So then how come this is here? When I draw my first one, when I draw the star. Oh, wait. I see. I see, it draws the sprite. Oh, I'm dumb. I see, I get it. I would need to do that. Then it's fine, I think. Because it's minus 60 away. Oh yeah, perfect. Awesome. I love that. That's great. Nice. Cakez was not cool. The guy was really nice. Much nicer than basically anyone in Twitch chat. Why I get banned? I only want to hear the bullet song. That doesn't work on YouTube. I don't have a bot for YouTube, bro. me see. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Think I have that. I don't. I do. Don't need. Yeah, we can keep that though. Then we have, basically we have 2 of these. Don't need complete level. But no heroes die. And don't lose any hearts. Goodness, that's a lot. Let's put this under additional challenges to be implemented later. Excuse me. Oh, man. Actually, I need to comment this out. Then we can just keep this in here. Now we have the buttons. Okay, guys, stop spamming. What's going on? Stop. When chat's more interesting than stream. Okay, bro. I think I earned more than these, though. On this one, wait, Campsite Road. Oh, no, wait, I earned 1 star here and 3 stars here. Awesome. Okay, so the only thing that's left is this weird nipple there. Why is that happening? Need to figure that out. That's not the one here. This one. It uses different sprites. Is that important? Size? That should be fine. Oh, I know why. This position here. IVEC 2. And then turning that into a VEC 2. Basically, what happened here is fractional parts, and then this looks weird. Awesome. Oh, but that sucks as well. How it fades in like that. Oh god, that's ugly as hell. Oof. It is how it is. We need Supaku back. Isn't Supaku still, what's it called? On vacation? Okay, so the last thing we need to do is animate this. We have the time and the animation index. I think what we can do is provide draw data. Right. There we go. Then we do that. The size will be normal size, and then the draw data will be dot animation index is animation index. There we go. And that's it. Boo! A burnt pineapple. Hello there, my man. Good morning. Do they animate? Oh wait, no, I need to supply the draw data, of course. When I draw that, the sprite. And then it'll animate. Cool. Awesome. Why are we working on challenges? If the gameplay is boring, bro, why challenge people? Bro, shut the fuck up, man. I'm gonna ban you. That's not true. I have a deja vu right now. What the hell? You gone, bro? What you talking about? Only challenged people like this. So you're calling half of my chat challenged. Aha. Because half of my chat actually likes the game a lot. And the other half likes it too, but they just don't want to admit it. Oof. Give me a sec. Ja. Ja. I think the first version of Cakez TD 3 years ago was the best. Bro, you can't be serious. Oh, wait. Star collected. Cakez vibe codes using it. No, that's not true. Okay, I come up. Okay, how did you help me just now? Explain to me, huh? How did you help me just now?
Oh, you did it!
Oh, that's a terrible position, by the way. Also, what's the previous size on this map, bro? Oh, I hate that. It's 135. Oh, that sucks. Let's just do one. Come on, bro. That's got to look better. Come on. Much better. I love it. Okay, so that's great. And now we have 3 stars here. Oh, that's so much better. Okay, cool. Nice. And 3 here. No, look at that. And now, guys, you can actually earn more stars depending on how many lives you have left. If you have 7 lives, you earn 2 stars. And that makes it easier to earn stars in the game and spend them on meta progression. Cool. GG. Yeah, and then tomorrow I will implement the additional stars, like silver and gold, maybe. Gold would be no heroes dying. Finally back. Bro, I only want to hear bullet sound. Just tell me if it's a band sound. Why you ban me, mate? Burnt pineapple. I appreciate the following, man. Thank you. Let's see. Map position. I know, menu position, and then we'll do a 0 here. Let's put it back to the middle. Loki found the caps lock key. The timeout worked. Yeah, true. Yeah, like, I don't understand the question, man. So why should I answer this? Weird. Did you see that, guys? It showed up the wrong map? Arch, I appreciate you following too, man. Alright, guys. So, now that we have made some good progress in the game, happy about that. That's a gameplay change that I like. I can push that to Steam already, together with... What change did we do today? The Steam stats, right? So we can... Let's see, toggle. Yeah, you have the Deep Forest stats here. People have played it, how many people have completed it. And then Campsite Road together with... Crossroad. What maps do I have in the game? Crossroads, Campsite Road, Crossroads, Deep Forest. Yeah, these are the demo maps that I want you guys to have. Then toggle Steam stats. 76% on Crossroads. I would assume that went up a lot. Or maybe it went down. I don't know. Difficult to say. But let's keep this in mind, right? So 87% on the first map, 76% on the second map, sorry. And then Deep Forest will be the third map, which I'm pretty sure it'll be like 20% or 30% only. But okay, good. Let's push this to Steam. In order to push to Steam, we need to change the define and we need to change the precompiled header. That's cool that you can know what people play. I'll yoink that maybe. Yeah, I think that's important because it'll show you which level of your levels is too hard. And since you have the same like build up in a way, you have different levels in your game too. I think it works very well. All right, okay, so let's add this in. Maybe after the update, save to new stats. Oh shit, I can't push this to Steam yet, guys. Actually. We're gonna react now, yeah? But we can't actually, I can't actually push this. You know why? Because I need to reset the game. You have too many stars now. You have earned stars that you should not have earned. So if I push this, it will wipe the progress that you've made. Which I probably should wait. This one here needs to change. Or I need to validate that somehow. This right here. And then I need to reset the upgrades. Wait 5 minutes? Yeah, okay, I'll wait. Okay, I'll have to think about... I can't push this to Steam yet. I would love to, but then I break your guys' save game. I gotta say, this game looks super cozy with all the shaders. I appreciate that, man.
Bitch! It's a
Daddy, chill.
I need to think about this, guys. God damn it. It breaks your saves.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Break your save system. You could test it out when in the future it would make breaking changes. You need to update the save file between versions. Yeah, I could say that I could do like, okay, well, if we are encountering a version 5 save game, then we need to update version 5 to version 6. We could do that. I can do that, yeah. But let's code this after the react, okay? Well, so that. This one's important. And to provide some context, the reason why I want to talk about this is this screenshot right here. This is me reacting to Slime Creep. You guys remember this? And the guy was using Curator Connect on Steam. And he said that this is a good way to connect with Steam curators. And also a safe way. Because when you give them a curator key, which is what's going to happen through this Curator Connect system, then they cannot sell that key. And that's usually the way that these curators try to scam you, is by writing you an email asking you for game keys. And then you give them a bunch of game keys and you end up finding out that most of your keys have been sold on some shady websites, of course. And I want to check this curator system out myself. That is Steamworks app admin. Connect with curators. Okay. I wonder if I can do this for demo versions too. Let me check. Let's find that. So Steamworks. Maybe for the game itself? Curator Connect. Oh, here it is. Curator Connect and marketing tools. I wonder if you're allowed... I mean, he's shown it as well. Curator Connect allows you to send your game directly to curators you choose on Steam. This will send a copy of your game that is immediately playable regardless of the current release date. To begin, you can opt into the curator program by clicking the setup button. Okay. That sounds good. You need a better system to handle changes like this? You can, I think. Okay, wait, give me a second, guys. In order to do this react properly, we need to ban 2 people. Because they are spamming the chat. And they don't like the content anyways. So that we can actually have a good discussion. Can you show that screen on? Can you show that on screen, Cakes? It doesn't say anything here. Like on this page, it doesn't say anything. And this guy also showed it in the video. So this is inside a video on YouTube from Ben Bonk that made the slime game. So I think you could show this. Otherwise, he wouldn't have shown it himself, right? So let's see. Let's just click setup and see what happens, right? You have not sent any curator offers, okay? See all curators. Connect with more curators. Let's click that button. Build your list. Oh god. 170,000 followers. That's some Chinese name, I guess. Indie games. 1,700 reviews. We review indie games that don't get as much exposure as big titles from major studios. Join us for a daily hunt for hidden gems that could easily be overlooked. No VR. Sorry, email is this. Aha. I don't know any of these. Get games cheap. Recommending games worth your time and money across all genres. Aha. Orion Portal. I feel like this could be a scammer, right? I don't know. Like, it's difficult to say with this stuff. Aha. Okay, GameStar. I would assume that GameStar is like, that would be someone that I use. Add to list. Please don't destroy my... Is it just on the list now? Aha, it is just on the list to the top right. Okay. Hentai lovers? Oh, inspiration for my game is hentai. Shall we put it to the list? Obviously not, because I don't have any hentai in the game. German gamer community. And a German flag. God damn. Original curator group. No. I don't think this is a good one. No. Doubt it. Gaming Taylor. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I saw this before. Gaming Taylor? Nani? Shall we get this guy? The good, the bad, and the most underrated hidden gems buried in the deep. Indie to AAA experiences. We cover everything on a never-ending quest to play them all. Add him? Okay, we'll add him. Yeah, and that's about it, man. I don't know any of these other guys. I wouldn't put any of my keys to any of the other ones. PC, what was it? Games thing, and this guy. Yeah, otherwise, it's like 600 pages or 600 curators. It's too many. Excuse me. I thought you can't resell the keys on that program anyways. I mean, there's zero risk. They can't sell the key. Can they or can they not? I guess they can't. Until they can. They can? Wait a minute. Code Agree says they can sell the keys? How? Wait, you can sell a curator key through this system? On G2A? How? They can't? Yes, yes, yes. No, through this system. Yes. Not through any other system. A key for this game is like 1 cent. Why does it matter? You're banned. So 10 minutes. Just wait. It's not the truth, guys. You're wrong. Just wait. Anyways, we have 2 so far. If any one of you knows any better curator to use, let me know. Maybe the indie games one. But hey, these guys wouldn't use the indie game's name and do something shady with them, right? So we can add it to the list. I only know Giga not safe for work once. Okay, message to the curators. Keep it brief and to the point. Okay, I'm not gonna fill in this message. Maybe this guy will... where is it? Here. Maybe this guy will tell us what message to supply. It's interesting because he's calling the Steam curators crap, right? In the title, in the thumbnail. And he has 100 downvotes. I wonder why there's so many downvotes. Maybe it's the curators lashing back because they can't abuse the system anymore. Or it's something else that is not actually 100 Steam curators. Yeah, out of the 600. He's a scammer himself? Yeah, maybe he is, bro. We'll see.
Alright, hey guys, so I am Gaming Taylor. I am a Steam game collector. As you can see on my profile, it shows I have 14,500 games.
Oof.
In reality, I have a lot more than that. If you go to my library, it actually shows I have around 27,000 games, which is pretty accurate considering a number of years ago, Steam stopped counting new releases until it reached some threshold. I think if it sold like over 1,000 or over 10,000 copies, then it would count as a profile game. But if you look on certain games, like this is a game that I released, if you scroll down, it says profile features limited, and that is because the game didn't
found
sell
that
well.
interesting. What game did you release?
But if you look on certain games,
the official Gaming Taylor game, 5 user reviews. Oof, that looks rough. The official game. Hey, Gaming Taylor game. Great job. You can't be serious, bro. You cannot be serious. 100 user reviews? 40%? Oof. 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 0 hour peak. How does it have so many reviews? Where can I see the reviews? Oh my god. Easy money, the price? What's the price? Did I miss that? Hey, this guy's farming, okay? Golly, that's crazy. Okay. Guys, I can't talk. Excuse me. Oh, goodness. Okay, I'm back.
games like this is as Steam is learning about this game. This makes sense just for the sake of game count. Also, if you see a game that says Steam is learning about this game, this also doesn't count towards your Steam profile. And also, I just wanted to gloat a little bit. I am number 7 in the United States. I used to be a little bit higher, but there's quite a few people collecting games.
Boasting
so
now?
That comes around to what I want to talk about in this video, which is the Steam curator system and a lot of the corruption that goes behind it. So there's no script in this video. There's no editing. So
what I can show, I could tell you what we found out about the one video, and that sounded very credible. There's essentially people that make scam games on on Steam that sell for like €100 or $100 or maybe more. What they do is they buy reviews on shady websites. Wait, that was different. Was it different? Am I dumb? No, that was a different video. I'm stupid. Actually, that's the wrong video. That was the Steam scammers. They use bot reviews. That's something else. Yeah. That was different. I conflated these two. What I actually mean is these curators, what they do is they could email you and ask for keys. And when you send them keys, what they would do is sometimes ask for more than one key. And then they can sell these keys on shady websites. That's the idea of the Steam curators. And that's why they have such a bad reputation. Because you don't want your game sold on websites. You want your game tested, and you give the key to the curators so that they give you a positive review or a good review or like an honest review. Let's say that. And yeah, so they are abusing the system. That's G2A. That's what G2A does. Yes. Yeah.
Just follow along, I suppose, if you're curious about the Steam curator system. So first of all, there's a ton of Steam curators, and you may notice them on like a new game release. You scroll down and you'll see curators that say like, this game is amazing. Even before they're released, you may see curators recommending the game. You may wonder like, what the hell's a curator and why do people make curators?
I wonder, like, for those of you who use Steam like a gamer, right? Do you look at this stuff? Because I don't. I couldn't care less about what some dumbass on the internet thinks about the game. I only care about the reviews and the percentage. Nah. Yeah, so no one does. Yeah, that's my point, right? Didn't know there was a thing. Yeah, me neither.
Well, curators are basically just groups or individuals that write reviews, but as a curator, you're only able to write like a couple sentences. So instead of reviews, it's just a sentence or two recommending it or not.
Wait, I didn't know that. It's just a couple of sentences? You can't even write a full review? Why? That's so dumb. Who thought about that? That's even worse. So all you can buy yourself a curator review for Games Okay. Or Game Sucks. Guys. Sorry, guys. It's this itch. It's an itch in my throat that's getting worse as I talk. Quit smoking, yeah. I've been drinking a lot of water, yeah. Drink some warm water? Really? That would help Neat Games? You think so? Okay, I'll think about that. Let's continue. Goodness, man, I'm dying.
Recommending it. It's as simple as that. And you can literally write anything for any game. You don't have to.
There is a curator that is... This guy's pausing again. There is a curator that's really important. Steam curator. Like, you should follow this one guy. The most important curator of them all. You see how many followers this guy has? 500,000 almost. And this is the recent reviews from Sweet Baby Inc. detected. So if you want to detect woke games where they sacrifice the story to push a political narrative, then this is the one for you. Because here they will show you which games you should avoid. Now, I think some of the games they put in here is a little bit over the top. Gotta be honest here, okay? But for the most part, yeah, good stuff. Is Tangy TD woke? No, it's not.
Own the game doesn't have to be released, and you can literally copy paste whatever's on the store page. So for Mass Effect, for example, this is my review. I can basically just
wait. So pausing again. Like, I could see you guys getting angry about that, but that's fine because that's what I live for.
So for Mass Effect,
three fantastic sci-fi RPGs, loads of extra DLC content included, remastered and optimized graphics, and plenty of visual improvements with fully recreated models. Oh, I would be such a bad curator, I'm telling you guys. If I see remastered game, it's literally the same, like Sacred 2 remaster now, I'd be like, a dog shit game, don't buy, use original. Use CD.
For example, this is my review. I can basically just go down here, copy and paste this, and leave a recommendation. And that is what many curators actually do. But even worse than that, there are some curators that don't put any effort. For example, this is critiquing Doge. Mini beats such journey, very dance. Every single review is this silly little meme.
Holy, so they basically just get games for free. Hey, guys, we should become a Steam curator. Then we get so many games for free. That's actually really smart. You'd never have to pay any more money for games.
Other curators like this, I'm Commander Shepard, and this is my favorite game. Just repeat it over and over and over again. Here's another one. I mean, if you scroll down, there's actually a ton of them. Most popular curators are like famous YouTubers and YouTube channels and various game publications.
Did you hear that? Famous YouTube channels? Maybe at some point.
But look at this one. This one just says yes,
Not
yes,
you?
yes, yes on every single game. 46,000 followers. Here's mine, and I'll be honest. My curator, a lot of it, some of them I write, some of them I just copy paste. It really doesn't matter, okay? So just keep that in mind. I really don't suggest anyone follow any curator at all because they're not honest. And the reason why they're not honest is because the curator system, you're mainly in it to get free games. And that is why I don't recommend ever following a curator, because the whole point is to get free games. And to get free games, you need a follower account. Typically, you won't receive free games on a curator until you reach about 5,000 followers. But you really want to have over 10,000.
Well, here's the plan. I already got to crack down. So we sell our first game, currently sitting at 140 followers or something on stream, myself. And then once the game hopefully pops off, we get like 5K. And that's when we become a Steam curator. And that's when we farm free games. Yeah. I mean, I don't really need to do it because sometimes I actually get messages on email to play some games. So that I already get them for free sometimes, but not all the time.
And then over 20,000, you really start receiving a lot of games.
You can buy some Chinese
on my curator,
farms.
I've actually received well over 1,000, probably multiple thousands of games for free, just from having a curator. And you don't actually have to recommend any of the games that you get for free. All you have to do is, I mean, you don't really have to do anything. You just accept or decline them.
I don't know these games that days.
And I accept every single one. Why wouldn't you? I've accepted so many that this page won't even load for the accepted games. And I just want to show you real quick. This is my licenses for various games on Steam, and these are all complimentary reviewer packages, which means for the most part they came from the Steam curator system. So just scrolling down a little bit, you can see how many games I have received for free from the Steam curator system.
So I'm pretty sure you didn't get Dark Souls, right? Control F Dark Souls, bro.
It is absolutely ridiculous, and it shows at the top there's 5,000. So I may
Doom. I saw Doom. Tennis World Tour. Oof. I'm not Outcast. I think it's just smaller games
but I
mostly.
may have received 5,000 games from the Steam curator system. So yeah,
Nico
if you
Para.
you couldn't tell already, lots of corruption going on, but it gets even worse than that. So
okay, what's the
not
problem?
only is it just about getting free games, but the whole algorithm, I suppose, is based off followers. So like I said before, you won't get games unless you have followers, but even worse, you get games sent to you even if your page is literally just the same thing repeated over and over and over again. I have multiple curators, by the way. One of the curators is this one, and I literally just copy paste this over and over and over again for all these anime games. Same exact thing. And this curator has 24,000 followers. And you may wonder, so how do these curators get so many followers? I have 5 different curators, and I can tell you why in a little bit. So this is one of mine, 7,000 followers. This one has 6,000.
Hey, I gotta be honest here. This guy's sharing the strats, okay? So he's exposing himself too. Pretty sure he's been farming or something.
And this one has 14,000.
Gotta have some balls to do
so
that.
I have 5 curating groups. All getting games for free. You don't get like a whole lot every day, but every week I get like maybe 20. So sometimes more, sometimes less.
That's a lot.
But you may be wondering, how the heck do you get so many followers? It's certainly not organic. If you made a new curator today and you made like hundreds of reviews, you wouldn't get any followers. Maybe you would get like 50, but there's no way you would reach over 1,000. I can tell you that for sure. Okay. So in the old days, a lot of curator groups, they would actually pay like a third-party website or maybe even a game developer. And what they would do is they would generate like thousands of keys for these low-end indie games, and then they would go on a site and host a giveaway. And I don't know if you've ever entered some of those Gleam giveaways, but some of them you have to like click a button and you have to like follow someone on Twitter or follow someone on YouTube, and some of them made you go to Steam and follow a curator. So obviously there was a ton of bot accounts, there was thousands of people trying to get free games, and they would go to your curator group and they would click follow, and generally the site owner would make the money and you would get a ton of followers. So once you got like 5,000, 10,000 followers, you would start getting free games though, and that was worth it. So a lot of these like meme curators that have tens of thousands of followers, obviously they're not real people following. That is ridiculous. Most of them are boosted by tons of bot accounts or from various giveaways or promotions, and they're
the most crucial step is to get 5,000 to create a decent game. $5,000? All the Steam curators are unemployed, probably. Yeah, how do they have so much time to play games, bro? Like, yeah, even. And also, why would you want so many games? This guy said 20 games a week. So many games.
Not legitimate. I can tell you that for certain. I know quite a few people who have curator groups, and it is one of the most corrupt systems on Steam. And I honestly wish Valve would just remove the whole system entirely. Even if I get free games.
I think that's a good idea, to be honest. Should the curator system be removed, guys? What do you think? Because, like, as a game developer, right? Think about it like this. You give someone a key, like a curator. They review your game. The review they did for your game, if it's your first review or below your first 10 reviews, does nothing. Why? Because the review, like he's just said, also is low effort. And on top of that, you need 10 reviews to get into the algorithm when you release a game. It doesn't count. So you get nothing, really. Absolutely nothing. Oh, this video is going to be great to edit, man. Every couple of seconds. I can't talk, bro. I know one that plays the game for 1 hour. He's a rich guy and just plays them all day. But just 1 hour? Let's say you get Dark Souls. You wouldn't play that for 1 hour. But I guess you don't get Dark Souls in here, right? I feel like you would mostly just get slorp games. But hey, maybe not.
Sent to me every day.
This guy is Batman and there's Terraria too.
Ridiculous system. So now I want to go over why I have so many curator groups. So like I said before, let me go to the Curator Connect. So this is a little bit behind the scenes. I have a game on Steam, and in the system, if a developer releases a game on Steam, this is what they see, and this is called the Curator Connect, and this is how the curators are listed in order.
We saw that now.
This Neptune review, I think I showed you this earlier, but all they do is write nep on every single game that they review, and it's basically telling me that I should recommend my game to this reviewer.
Wait a minute.
And it's basically telling me that I think I showed you this earlier, but all they do is write.
I want to see the games they.
Nep.
I don't see a single game.
Nep on every.
Yeah, some of these games like really good games, popular games.
Every single game.
Can't really tell because I don't play Cyberpunk. Huh. Interesting. Cyberpunk, bro. He got Cyberpunk for free, maybe.
Game that they review.
That's actually insane.
And it's basically telling me that I should recommend my game to this reviewer. And it's like, why? They haven't posted a review in 8 days. And entirely it's because of the follower count. 85,000 followers, so they think this follower...
Oh, I see the way this works now. You build a bunch of reviews first, right? 1,100 reviews. You build up some reviews, and then it's going to recommend you in this list. And then you just stop pasting reviews and you just play the games. That's what he's doing.
Is popular, and also my game has these tags: action, zombies, and FPS, and this curator happens to have action and FPS, so it's recommending me this curator. So why do I have 5 curators? It's because of these tags. You're only able to have I believe 5 tags per curator group. Let me just go on and make sure. Edit curator set.
Wait, is this guy exposing himself? He's exposing himself for doing the same thing that he calls out. Because he's just now, okay, I'm farming multiple tags with multiple groups. That's what he's saying. He is, right? He's doing the same thing.
Settings. All right, so these are my tags here: indie, action, strategy, casual, and adventure. Probably not the best tags. I have no idea. But I have multiple curator groups. So this one has the anime tag. This one has like retro, indie, whatever. This one has some other tags that weren't included in the first group.
Yeah.
And this one has like virtual reality. So I get different types of games sent to me for each curator group.
Also, now you're a virtual reality guru. Is that what you are? Yeah. I see. Well, we should do that too, man. I get it now.
For each curator group, even if I copy paste the same recommendation
the wave, dude.
for all the groups.
Too. Yeah. Hey.
So as I was getting at before, the only thing that really matters is the follower count. And as you can see, every curator at the top of the list basically are curators that have over 10,000 followers, and that is why groups that have less than 10,000 followers are not getting any free games. And basically this is the only reason why people make curators in the first place, is just to get free games from developers. And here, mine even showed up right here. So this is my own curator, and it was listed at the top just because it has so many followers. So so there's really no point to this video.
Of many interests.
I just kind of wanted to share why curators recommend games, why the system exists and why they do it, and why you see really ridiculous reviews from curators that have 20,000 followers, and you're just thinking, how the hell do they have 20,000 followers?
It's botted and rigged, and it totally doesn't do anything for the developer, so it should be discarded and removed. Okay, we get it.
Why are
anything
they doing
more
this?
in the video?
What is this for?
Is that it?
And like I said, it's to get free games. And if you have a way to boost your follower count, I highly recommend making a curator group. If there's some way.
Hey, at least he's honest, okay? We should call that out. This guy's honest as hell, okay? He's like, go cheat in the system, because they'll remove it at some point.
To force people or to force bots to get 10,000 followers, go ahead, because there's literally hundreds, if not thousands, of other curators doing the exact same thing. So yeah, this is just a video I've wanted to make for quite some time. It's one of the ways I've received thousands of games. Another way I received thousands of games for free is from a site called Keymailer. Keymailer, you can request games from developers in exchange for like video reviews on YouTube or streaming on Twitch. I was banned from the site eventually after getting who knows how many games, literally thousands, and I really wait. How many games? Literally thousands.
How do you do that?
In exchange for like video reviews on YouTube or
video reviews on YouTube or streaming. Oh, so I can go to Keymailer and say, I want to play, I don't know, let's say Stardew Valley. And then it'll give me Stardew Valley. And he never made a video. Yeah, maybe he never made a video. And then I have to make a video about Stardew Valley, why I played it. Or streaming on Twitch. I was banned from the site eventually after getting who knows how many games, literally thousands, and I really wasn't making any videos. I was just requesting. Now, Mr. Elrod, I see what you mean, but like, do we have a better example of Among Us and Vampire Survivors? I don't want to keep bringing the same examples. I'll think about it.
Every single game on the site until the owner finally caught up with me and like shadow banned my account. But basically what I'm getting at is collecting games on Steam. Yes, on this channel I advertise a lot of bundle sites, and you can collect a lot of games for very cheap through these bundle sites, but obviously you're not going to be collecting thousands upon thousands of games. There has always been loopholes in the system, especially with the curator system. And
I mean, if you have the time, more power to you, do it. I don't have the time to play all of these games, but I see the appeal, right? If you get Skyrim for free, any of the big games as well, for sure.
Like YouTubers collecting games for promotion, and also number 3 in North America, Gizmo Gamer. He had like basically a glitch in the curator system where he had every single game tag all in one curator, and Steam didn't fix it for years. So he was getting like probably 3 times more games than I was, maybe even more than that. He was getting a ridiculous amount of games, and he wasn't even leaving any reviews. He was just accepting all the games, and that is why his game count is so high. And I don't know how the other people do it. Some of them had a special like press access account where they could basically redeem any game on Steam for free. And
we get it.
And then in the past, free and store, and people would purchase the 50-cent games or even sites that were
anyways, yeah, so we get it. Like, he's just repeating it.
It makes it look like I'm active, and a lot of my reviews are just jokes, like I'm telling you. They like games just because
okay, we got it. So essentially the video is, don't use Steam curators, guys. I never thought highly of them anyways, and they do nothing for developers, so I might not even, like, why would I? Let's see, let's go back to this, right? So here's the Steam curator, where is that? Here, this is Steam curator site that he showed us. Let's say this, right? Now that I know a little bit more, I don't think I should put this to anyone. Why? It's like, okay, guys, after we have watched the video, why should we do this? Give me a reason as the developer to do this. I don't think there's any positive, to be honest. There's nothing. It's better than no one playing your game, but there's not gonna be that no one is gonna play the game, bro. That's not what's gonna happen. Some curators do YouTube videos about the games. Okay, let's check. GameStar YouTube, right? So let's see if they make videos. I think they do. GameStar. I think they would do that. Yeah, 10,000 videos for sure. Review Dawn of War 4. Verhext gut. Yeah, that's a German. And that actually works because I'm German too. And that would even, like, that would even work for me when I make my Gothic game, because they know Gothic. They've been big into Gothic. Huh. Okay, so maybe GameStar. But let's see. This guy, right? I don't think he's gonna make a video of my game. Sorry, of my game if I give him a key. He already explained to us that he's lazy. Yeah, no way. He does not have enough. Oh, 3K videos though. Humble choice, free. No. No, he's not absolute. Yeah, no way. Wait, I just noticed 3 years ago. Okay, so that's a lie. He's not gonna do that. So we're definitely gonna remove him. Indie Gems. If they have a YouTube video, sorry, a YouTube channel. Yes, if no. Oh, 2K followers. Is that it? That's it. 200 videos. 3 days ago, Tunic game review. I mean, to get like 500 views on my game, send them a key. 500 views. It looks like they're not that active though. 4 weeks. If you're literally getting sent thousands of, no, sorry, not thousands, like 20 games a week. I mean, maybe they only make reviews of games that are good enough. Maybe? And they get like 19 terrible games a week and 1 good one? Maybe? That's crazy though. Did they... Okay, let's see. Indie Gems. Thronefall. Let's see if they've got to go... Thronefall? They did. 2 years ago. Hidden Indie Gems. But it's only 3 minutes. And it's not the same. Actually, I just noticed it's not that. So no, they did not make a video on that. I mean, they have a YouTube account, but their reach is just like bad. It's just a click for you? I guess it is, but I have to type a message too. And you know me, I don't like typing. And reading. I guess. Hi, play my game. Like this, hi. Wanna play my game? Good stuff here. I asked ChatGPT to do it. I mean, I'll think about it, but not now. Okay. Listen, I'm too lazy to write the message just now. Okay. I want to rap my game, so also like kind regards, Cakez. Did you see this Primogen short? Cakez. What's this?
Something that's gonna hurt a lot of people's feelings. I think one of the reasons why people prefer a bunch of files as a
okay, let's see. Like, okay, so this guy talking about files. Okay, I'm gonna call him out. Well, let's see. Okay, because they still didn't fix the bug on the PlayStation 3. Let's see.
I'm gonna say something that's gonna hurt a lot of people's feelings. I think one of the reasons why people prefer a bunch of files
it's because they are GigaChat developers
as opposed to bigger files is because y'all don't know how to navigate your editor. And so you know how to open up a fuzzy finder. And
okay, bro.
So you've indexed inside your brain all the file names as opposed to all the like function names you need to navigate to. It's still the same shit, right? You've just indexed a different set of searching mechanisms as opposed to say indexing function names or indexing what you're wanting to go to. I don't think we've actually changed anything. You've just simply learned how to use your editor in a specific way. Not saying it's bad either. I'm just saying that's just the way people understand it. I'm going to say something that's going to hurt a lot.
True though. True, yeah. So I search for function names rather than for file names. Because like, think about it like this, right? Let's say I have enemies as a file in the game. Now I need to remember enemy, and then I need to remember the function inside of enemy, which probably is the update function, right? And so then I search enemy, and then I search update. But if I have one file, guess what? I'm searching update enemy. Yeah, I'm twice as fast as everyone else. Yeah. Sounds the same to me. No. I bet your wife is... Shut up. What's wrong with you? Okay, we'll leave this open. I'll think about that. But 800 euros, bro. Okay, so this guy is farming. Yeah. Thank you. All right, guys. What shall we do? What shall we do? Do some more progress in the game? My voice is okay now. I'm not having to cough as much. We did this one here today. Very happy about this. We could think about how do I do the save game properly? Proper save game system. Not losing units is extra to the 3 stars completionist. Yeah. Did that, so. Play my jam game, Cakes? Sure, I guess. Yeah. This is a bug. This is a bug. Good luck, everyone, my man. Burnt. Appreciate it. Burnt pineapple. Cakes, wait. You have to... Oh, I wanted to talk about that. Yeah, we can do this. Did you forget about this? If you're interested in it, the Norm game. Oh, yeah, we can read that tomorrow. That's really interesting. Sure. That one's great. Gnomes. We played the game. We watched the game. We read Reddit threads about the game as well. That was really interesting. 10-month dev time, yeah. Oh, they now even have a number. Oh, wow. 300k. That's crazy. Didn't know it was that much. And so that's 100k for everyone involved, by the way. Over 10 months. And I think it is, since it was 3 people. What do you mean only 300k? What you talking about, bro? You stupid? You know how much money that is? For 10 months? Divide that by 3, man. That's a lot. Listen, man. Like, some people would kill for this amount of money. Chump change. Oh, so you earn the big bucks. I see. Ah, how much you earning, eh? 12k a month? 50k a month? What you doing, huh? You're probably exploiting others with Bitcoin stuff, and you're like pump and dumping. That's what you're doing. WW rage bait. Okay, so this guy's lying. He's probably living in his mom's basement or mom's house. He's not even paying bills or anything. You know, just got a chocolate bar delivered to him from his mom up from, you know, to the basement. Yeah, that's who you are. True. This guy's trying to talk. It's like those people, they see a beautiful woman and they're like, oh no, she's not beautiful. I've seen better. Yeah, you're lying, bro. You're lying. I could see it. You have 2 possibilities to use the system. You could either put hours into finding curators that are valid for you, or you can shotgun everyone in the hope that for 50 curators, 1 or 2 will do a video, Cakes. Yeah, then I would just not use the system. Or we have 1 or 2 already, and that's it. We'll just use the 2. That's it. Why earn money if you can get games for free as a curator? You can't sell the games, though. That's the problem. You want to earn money. Sure, you can get games to play. But like, think about it like this, guys. Yes, you get free games, but how you're earning money? You're still not earning money. So I feel like that's a waste, even if it's free games. Now, the insane strategy would be to receive the games for free, but then even then you would sometimes just get them for free because you're doing content. You could sell the account. Oh, you guys think selling the account is the way they earn money? You think that's how they can earn a lot of money? Like they actually sell the account to someone else? That would be insane. You earn... yeah, but let's say you start recording 30-second game reviews on TikTok and you earn money that way, right? Then you get the games for free because they start noticing you as a creator, and then you don't need the Steam curator system anymore because you're already getting the games for free, and they might even pay you to do a promotion. So like I was thinking about that too, but it's actually better to just build up a YouTube channel or like some other channel and then do these paid promotions if you really want to earn money by playing games. Likely they do like 300 game accounts and sell those, similar, smaller scale. Yeah, this is what I want to talk about. Mr. Elroot, like Cakez, you don't need 10 reviews to get into the algorithm unless you want the algorithm to actually work against you. You need hundreds fast, otherwise you end up in Steam graveyard with asset flips. See, like, I don't agree with this, actually. To a degree, yes, but I also don't, because there are examples of this that go against that. But I only have Vampire Survivors, which is like an outlier, and Among Us. Both of these games... like Steam, please, yeah. Both of these games started so slow that they barely reached 10 reviews over time. They didn't get hundreds and hundreds of reviews. No, they had... How much was it? Here. They had barely any players for years. And I think it was even more. Like, it was even older. Because we're starting at 1,000 followers here. Here, this is where it is. Like 8 positive reviews, 15. It's not that many. And I think it dates even further back. Right? So we can't even see the stats before this, which is why Vampire Survivors is a little better to look at. Because it started similar. When you look at SteamDB for the game, and you go to the very beginning, which is just like the tip here. You could see that it started with like 5 players, couple of players, not that many. And this is, most likely, this is the part where it hit 10 reviews and then it entered the algorithm. And you can see this. Can we make this smaller here too? Like we just select this part. Can we like zoom in? Ah, there we go. Yeah, let's zoom in a bit more. You see this here? Like 3 positive reviews, 2 positive reviews, 2, 4, and that's when it was 10. Like that's when it hit 10, and then it happened, like it popped off. And so I don't agree with the fact that you need hundreds fast, but I think the idea is if you get hundreds fast, that's a good indication that you have a game there. If you... And usually that the rule is if you get wish lists very slowly, reviews very slowly, then your game might not be as good. And therefore, most of the time, when you get 10 reviews, even in the algorithm, you're not gonna hit that much as these guys do. Positive, yeah, we're talking about, no, I think it's just 10 reviews. It's not just positive, but 10 reviews. It's not direct correlation. Earning more money and sales equals will get you reviews. It's the opposite. Well, what you mean? What you're talking about is if you earn more money and get more sales, then you get more reviews? Well, I don't understand. I don't really like how much power streamers and YouTubers have over games popping off. Virality matters more than quality. I don't agree with this, no. Because streamers are just a multiplier to your success. And they can help you reach an audience. But that doesn't mean if a streamer plays a bad game, that bad game will pop off. Otherwise, what is it called? Avalon? What was it, guys? What was it called, guys? Not King of Avalon. What's this guy called, guys? This game again. Something Avalon. Hey, Nightshade Dude, how you doing, bro? What I mean is, it just happens that a game that sells well will likely get 10 plus reviews. I need to figure this out. Like, it's not King of Avalon. No, actually, that was the company, Siege of Avalon. What was that game called? The 3D game, guys. Did he already do his 30 minutes of programming? I did more than 30 minutes, you're wrong. Guys, the 3D game. The 3D game that had like 300,000 Twitch viewers, but only 700. It's not Avalon, guys. It's the wrong name. I forgot the name. The studio shut down after this because they didn't sell anything. Of a Verdum, yeah, something of a Verdum. Shit. Immortals, I think it was Immortals. Yeah, this one here. Concord? Concord was too. This game here, guys. This game released to 300,000 Twitch viewers, but only had 700 peak players. So when you say that streamers pop off games, yeah, only if the games are good though. Because this game sucks. And the reason why this game sucks is because you can't tell anything apart in the game. It's too flashy. I'll show you here. It's really difficult to see what's going on. Look at this. So bad. It's just over the top, way too much over the top, and you can't tell what's going on at all. And you'll most likely develop a seizure playing this game. Sucks because they didn't advertise it at all. What you talking about, bro? What's this guy talking about? Like 300,000 Twitch viewers is not advertising it at all? Even Asmongold talked about the game multiple times in multiple videos. That's not true. He said the same. It doesn't matter. He has... Listen. Let's see. King... No, it's not King of Avalon. Immortals? Avernum. Asmongold. 800,000 views. This is advertisement. And he made more videos than this. Let's see. Let's put that here. How many videos did he do? Why is it not showing this up? Huh? What the hell? 1. He made more than one video on this, 100%. But I can only find one. It's odd. I don't know. What the hell are these recommendations? Yeah, listen, man, I'm trying to lose fat, okay? Okay? Let me lose my fat, okay, bro? I don't want to be fat all the time. I've gained a couple of kilograms here and there, you know, eating some terrible stuff. Listen, man, a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, okay, bro? Don't judge me. You gotta encourage me, bro. Play soccer? I do. I can't go today because I'm still sick, but I'll do Friday. I'll go on Friday. Stop putting butter. It's not the butter in my coffee, bro. That's not the point. That's not the problem, okay? It's me eating sweets. Okay? You can exercise while sick, yeah, but not to that degree. Like, I could. But I last time I did, I was sick for a week. I'm gonna take it slow this time. Okay. Okay, guys. TCAP, do you want to link your game? Let's see. Tangy Diet. Okay, Loop Fighter. So this is a game made by TCAP. Is it made in C++ or what is it made in? Okay, I don't know. Let's support the game. Loop Fighter. Twitch TV. Oh, plug in the middle. Options. I have no control over the loudness of the game. Already makes me mad. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go in by hand. And it does not detect the... It does not... Okay. Great. It's blasting. It is literally blasting. And it's not showing up here. One more time. Maybe now? Okay, guys, gotta put this on Firefox. Because this is getting on my nerves. It is too loud, sir, and I can't change the loudness of the music. Aha! seconds, hey? Did you make the music yourself, bro? The sound is crap on my machine too. Okay, this is my volume slider now. Is that good, guys? That sounds okay. Alright, go back. Let's go full screen. Play. Okay, what am I supposed to do here? Press left click or S to attack. I have stamina. Oh, I see. That's my range. Uh-huh. How do I lose how do I lose money? What's the bar at the top? Uh-oh. Uh-huh. Man, I'm good. Holy. Look at this. Oof. Oh, yeah. How do I buy upgrades? I can't buy upgrades at the same time. Wait, it pauses when I go here? Okay, wait. So how much gold do I have? Oh, I can't see my gold. Oh, great. How much is it when I buy this? 10 gold? Why is there no... Why is there no... listen.
I had to learn that myself. On a tooltip button, okay? When you show the upgrades, put the freaking text on how much it costs in the update, okay?
I'll show you what that means. I had to learn that on the hard... Shut up! No! Sound has been playing for longer than... Stop! Bro, you can't be serious! Oi! That's some bullshit. Wait, maybe that has to do with this. Shit, I can't play! Shit. Bro, that can't be serious. You can't be serious. It's actually making me mad. Wait, does that have to do with this? Same page. Wait a minute, guys. Does that actually have to do with this? Did we find a bug? Wait! His game breaks my game! What? My man, Mr. Meter, thank you very much for subscribing. I got all your data, bro. Your game's broken? What the hell? Wait. Aha. So now it complains about that. That's been 15 seconds. Okay. Wait, so it finds already playing sounds? What the hell? Loop Fighter. Wait a minute. Let's wait a bit. 15 seconds. What the hell is going on? Look at the first place in leaderboard, by the way. I'll look at that in a second. What? What's playing? Button click. Which sound are we talking about? The first index. Playing sounds. Huh. Last playtime 0. Data. Uh-huh. X11, that looks a bit odd. And this one? The data here looks a bit better. Button click. That's so weird. Huh. Interesting. What if I don't play this? Wonder what happens then. If I mute the sound. It always still happens. It still happens. Does it only happen when I hover over a button? It does. Huh. Interesting. Okay, I'll try to debug that off stream. And when I close this, and we do that again, is the button click? Yeah, it seems to. Weird. Okay, so it is actually the button click. It has nothing to do with TCAP. I can't even click. I can't click. So weird. Okay, it's everything now. What the hell? Oh my god, is that annoying? Okay, I'll try to okay, fine. So it's not you. It's not you. I apologize. Okay, it's always me. It's my code. Anyways. Actually, I'm mad now. No. I'm mad. Because that sucks. I'm gonna remove this for a second. Okay. Didn't check leaderboard, didn't look at... Yeah, I'll look at the leaderboard. But I want to... listen, man. It's going to be helpful for you, okay? Watch. When you do a tooltip, okay? Please do the following. Put the damn price on the top right. Say gold, colon, 50, 10, whatever. How much it costs. That is what most people expect. Okay? I had to learn that myself. Really annoying. Oh shit, I closed it. Whatever. Let's play. So. Full screen. Wait, you get 1 gold. This guy. Oof. Huh? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. I guess... Range. I want more range. Because I one-shot these anyways. Damage doesn't do anything. Range. That means I can spam more. So range is OP in the beginning. You see that? So much easier. Okay, wait, I have my gold. Let's see damage. I guess we can add knockback. I need more stamina, guys. That's what it is. Lightning. Lightning bolt strikes a nearby enemy every 1 second. Hold hotkey 7. Nice lightning bolt, bro. I gotta say. Yeah. It's like on the enemy. Okay. I need auto attack 200. Uh-huh. I feel like I'm getting overwhelmed. We need some money. Lives 30. Damage, I guess. Movement speed. I guess more damage or something. If I need less hits to kill them, then that's... Oh yeah, that actually helps. This guy is almost dead. Okay, now we're farming money. That's crazy. Holy. I feel like I'm just spamming the left click. Like, is there nothing that, like stamina? I feel like stamina is too easy of a resource. I'm literally just spamming left click. Okay, wait. Auto attack. That seems OP. And, I don't know, more damage? Just get more damage. And range. Oh yeah, now? Holy. It's so easy, isn't it? Or maybe not. These guys. Yeah, let's get some more damage. Do they have like armor or something? I deal 40 damage to all of them, so they don't have armor. Thought they did. Wait, let's do another lightning bolt here. Oh wow, that's a big one. Uh-huh. Wait, let's get some more deeps. Hey, I get all of the damage. How do you not beat these guys? Speed? Oh my god, I'm too fast. No, I thought it was attack speed. No. Hey. Multi-strike? Whatever that means. Holy, that's OP. Wait, now I'm winning again. I'm gonna get another multi-strike. Seems OP. What the hell? I can't do anything. Holy, we're getting another multi-strike. That's easy. Lol. Multi-strike works with the lightning bolt as well. What does it even do? Oh, hitting +1 anyway. That's OP. It's like doubling your damage. Let's do some more lightning strikes. Okay, guys. So the game's easy. Totally easy. Like, I do nothing. I just click. Left click. Damn. Look at that. More lightning bolts. It's easy. Yeah, look at this. I'm not even losing. 700? Multi-strike. Maximum. Wait, this guy hits on his own. I don't need to do anything. I just spent money. Wait. I do nothing. What does auto attack mean? Increased frequency. What? Winning is easy, getting a good time is hard? Oh, I see. You need to do this in a good time. I get it. Holy, what you talking about, bro? What? Now, I hope it pauses the time. It does, yeah. Bruh. So, like, knock back is terrible. I guess. Attack range, maybe? I don't know. You know what helps go faster? Probably dash. What is dash? Dash cooldown. Attacks to triple damage while dashing. Press right click or A to dash. Listen, man. There's so much shit going on in the screen. You think I can read that? No. That's not how that works, bro. Hey, why would I dash? Eh? Why would I do that? I don't even know what's going on, bruh. What? What am I doing here? So, like, I feel like the gameplay loop is every time you get an upgrade, do it as fast as you can. So, like, this or you upgrade. Every time, like, you move your hand there to get the next upgrade to do it faster. Again. Or more. I'm right-clicking. Aha. So, where am I? 5 minutes? Wave 10. So, where am I? 39? Can I scroll? Previous? Okay. The stream's over, guys. The TCAP is banned. I mean, what did I expect? Of course. It comes from TCAP stream, TCAP's community. Of course, the first one's gonna say that. How is this guy always at the top, man? There's got to be someone that's cheating. Cause TCAP's a good gamer. Capushman. Oh wow, Capushman's even better than TCAP. And then Shade11. And none of you guys could actually get to the top to get this asshole out of there? How's that even possible, bro? Like, you failed me. Cakez fart, maybe? So it's got to be like some incredible gamer that even you guys can't beat him. Everyone gives up. So how's my time, guys? Like, I'm pretty good, like top 50, top 40 even. Like, I think that's good, right? Lucas, by the way, thank you very much for following. Mr. Atera as well, Frosiak as well, and Shade11, fuck you. You followed again, like always. Okay, guys. Yeah, but it's actually no joke. I still have a lot to do. And I'd rather code the stuff from the game off stream for now. And then tomorrow we'll do something interesting. I want to plan a stream where we make my game run in the browser like this one. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys would like to watch that. Because that will be an interesting time. It'll be hard to do. Mscripten, yeah, I think we'll do Mscripten. It'll most likely take a couple of days, but if you can make the game run in the browser, then every single game after that, we will port it to the browser immediately to get on itch, because itch is the best first step to test your game on. I also need to do that. Yeah, we need to do that. So that's what we're gonna do. So, yeah, guys, Dev Spudgers. What do you guys think? Janet? We always rate Jackie. Maybe the Spudgers. I'm gonna send you over to Dev Spudgers. Show some love, right? Anyways, guys, I hope you had fun today. I hope you enjoyed the stream. And I will see you all tomorrow. Yeah? Hope you still have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll come back tomorrow. We're gonna do something awesome. It's gonna be Poggies. Have a good day, guys. Thank you very much for the incredible support. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. Peace. On YouTube as well. Thank you guys for joining. I'll see you all tomorrow.